Hey guys, we just had the most incredible trip to the island of Santorini, and we visited the town of Ia, spelled O-I-A. And we're going to tell you two things that we did that you should not to make your trip more enjoyable. Okay?
Definitely. So today we are going to tell you the good, the bad, and the ugly of Santorini.
Yes.
So stay tuned.
As we pulled up to the island of Santorini, I was looking out over the crystal clear waters of the Mediterranean thinking how beautiful it was. I also noticed how steep the cliffs were getting up to the town of Fira. So that gives you a few ways to get up to the top. You could take the cable car, the stairs, or you could take a tender to what's called a Newport, which we'll show you all here in a second. Let's start with the Caravallati stairs. There's 588 steps, over 1,300 feet of elevation gain, and the steps are definitely slick. And you really should be in top physical shape to climb up them. We took them down, and it was hard walking down. Or you could take the cable car, but be prepared to wait about an hour and a half to take a 4-minute ride to the top. Our tour was to go see the town of Ia. From our cruise ship, which was parked across from the town of Fira, we took a tender to what's called a Newport, then a bus ride, about an hour, to the town of Ia. So we're getting ready to go out to Santorini, which you just saw, up on the buildings up on the cliff. My wife keeps talking to me in my head. She says she's not.
It's the voices in his head.
I keep turning around going, what? Nothing. So it's going to be really exciting. Been wanting to come here forever, and hopefully I get Donna to do a Santorini twirl. It's not going to happen. Never know. We'll see. Maybe I'll do the twirl. How's that? She'll film me, I'll do a Santorini twirl. Is that even a thing? Santorini? I just made that up. See you guys up top. As we're pulling up to the Newport, you could obviously see the very narrow and steep road that our very large bus took. Obviously, we survived. So, we arrived on the island of Santorini. Ios? Did I said it wrong?
You said it wrong.
Ia. That's how you say it. So anyway, this is the most photographed part of the island, and from our cruise ship, we took a tender to the Newport instead of the old port where some of you guys have already been here. The cable car and all that went up. We just went off to a new area. So let's look around, see what we got. So here's the first thing you should not do when going to Santorini and going to the town of Ia. Schedule a tour with only 4 hours for the tour, which we thought was plenty of time. But by the time you tender to the port, drive the bus over, and then they allow for a bus drive back, we literally had 1 hour to run through the town of Ia. We were not happy campers. Anyway, if you can avoid this, no matter who you cruise with, that would be a good thing to do, so you can actually enjoy yourself. In the meantime, come with us as we walk through the town of Ia so you can see what to expect. After enjoying a nice ice cream, Donna and I walked around looking for some great photo shoot opportunities. And believe me, there are plenty. This place is absolutely gorgeous.
pretty.
I know, right? So our goal was to show you the real Santorini, not the super cropped out pictures or videos that you usually see. And if anything, I would at least give yourself 3 hours, but definitely come here. It is so beautiful.
Here is the second thing that we did that you should not do. Assume that the line for the cable car going down is the same as the line going up. Allow an hour and a half to go up, but allow 2.5 hours to be safe to go down so you don't miss your ship.
As you'll see in a minute, there were a lot of angry and worried people thinking they were going to miss their ship. We decided to take the stairs down, which was an adventure all in itself.
So we were going to take the tram or whatever it is.
Cable car
From
Santorini down to the shore. Well, not shore, the tenders. And
but it's like a
2-hour wait.
So we're going to take the stairs.
The 600 stairs down, which is going to be faster.
With donkey poop. So it's like your
Yeah, donkey poop and pee. It is what it is. At least we'll get our ship in time. But look behind me. You see the line? And it goes blocks past that.
Goes around the corner.
Way back there. So let's go down the stairs. What was there?
Fine.
Huh?
I'm fine. I think that the rocks are slippery not because of donkey poop, but because of just walking on them.
Oh, yeah. Are you dead yet?
More steps.
You want to spend the $10 on the donkeys coming up?
Well, coming up, I wouldn't want to write it down.
No.
Donkeys don't eat meat, so it's clean, you know? It's manure. Donkey manure.
At the beginning of the video, we told you that we were going to tell you about the good, the bad, and the ugly of Santorini. And you heard about the good. You saw it. It was beautiful. It was amazing. And you also heard about the things that we said that we would do different, that would help you with your trip. And now, the ugly. Just kidding. There's nothing ugly about Santorini. It's amazing. Bye, y'all.